I am going to teach you how to cook buttered shrimp my way. Yes, my way. In English too. Charot. Now, let's kick things off with the ingredients, which thankfully do not include almeris because, let's be honest, who wants that in their shrimp? I'll be using it to smash the garlic instead. Genius, right? So, here we go with the star of the show, the shrimps. After giving them a little spot treatment by removing their intestines, don't worry, you won't mind. Marinate them in Sprite for a solid 30 minutes. Pan is heating up, ready to melt some butter for frying that garlic until it's golden brown and smelling divine. Once that's done, in go the shrimps along with a sprinkle of black pepper to kick things up a notch. Mix it up, cover it, and let the magic happen. After a brief shrimps vacation on the side, it's time for round two. More butter in the pan because why not? We add tomato paste, oyster sauce, and a splash of the zesty Sprite we save just to keep things interesting. Toss the shrimps again, let it boil until the sauce thickens. Ladies and gentlemen, behold my masterpiece. Who knew cooking could be this much fun?